Hello everybody and welcome back to this channel. We are Be Fit and every day we teach new ways to lose weight, stay healthy, and get in shape. Hunger suppressant techniques are secrets that help people not to feel constantly hungry. Obviously, there are hunger suppressant methods that are more effective than others, and today we will go through 12 amazing and natural ways to suppress hunger. In case you are looking to lose weight and get in shape, you don't want to miss this great episode. In addition, if you will stay until the end, I'm going to give you a bonus idea to lose weight naturally without effort. That is the same idea that already helped thousands of women all around the world to get in shape fast. If you are new to the channel, consider subscribing not to lose any video that will come next. Let's start. 1. Get enough sleep. Getting enough quality sleep can help reduce hunger and protect against weight gain. Studies show that too little sleep can increase hunger and appetite by up to 24%, and decrease levels of some fullness hormones by up to 26%. Research also shows that individuals who sleep less than 7 hours per night rate their fullness levels after breakfast as 26% lower. It's worth noting that several studies also link short sleep, generally defined as less than 6 hours per night, with up to a 55% higher risk of obesity. 2. Eat more protein and healthful fats. Eating foods rich in protein or fat can reduce hunger cravings and suppress appetite. Compared to carbohydrates, protein and certain fats are more effective for satisfying hunger and keeping people feeling full for longer. A person can replace some sources of carbohydrate with proteins and healthful fats to help keep their appetite under control. The dietary guidelines for Americans recommend the following high-protein foods: lean meats, beans and peas, soy products, Greek yogurt. The guidelines also recommend that a person gets their healthful fats from natural sources such as nuts and seeds, avocados, and olive oil. 3. Drink water before every meal. Drinking a large glass of water directly before eating has been found to make a person feel fuller, more satisfied, and less hungry after the meal. Another study, which looked at appetite in 50 overweight females, showed that drinking 1.5 liters of water a day for 8 weeks caused a reduction in appetite and weight, and also led to greater fat loss. A soup starter may also quench the appetite. Research from 2007 showed that people reported feeling fuller immediately after the meal if they had a liquid starter. 4. Eat more high-fiber foods. Fiber does not break down like other foods, so it stays in the body for longer. This slows down digestion and keeps people feeling full throughout the day. Research suggests that fiber can be an effective appetite suppressant. High-fiber diets are also associated with lower obesity rates. On the other hand, another review found that introducing extra fiber into the diet was effective in less than half of the studies they looked at. More research is needed to identify which sources of fiber are the most effective for suppressing appetite. Healthful high-fiber foods include whole grains, beans and pulses, apples and avocados, almonds, chia seeds, vegetables. 5. Exercise before a meal. Exercise is another healthy and effective appetite suppressant. A review based on 20 different studies found that appetite hormones are suppressed immediately after exercise, especially high-intensity workouts. They found lower levels of ghrelin in the body, a hormone that makes us hungry, and higher levels of fullness hormones such as PPY and GLP-1. Before watching the next natural way to suppress hunger, if you are liking the video, please consider to subscribe to our channel, put a like, and ask questions in the comment section. Now let's go ahead with the next secret. 6. Visualize eating the foods you crave. According to some researchers, picturing yourself indulging in the foods you crave most may actually decrease your desire to eat them. In one experiment, 51 participants first imagined eating either 3 or 33 M&Ms before being given access to a bowl of the candy. Those who imagined eating more M&Ms ate 60% less of the candy, on average. The researchers found the same effect when they repeated the experiment using cheese instead of M&Ms. It seems that this visualization exercise may trick your mind into believing you've already eaten the desired foods, significantly decreasing your craving for them. 7. Go heavy on green leafy vegetables. If you're really looking for a highly nutritious food that will fill you up for hours, you can't beat green leafy vegetables. From kale to spinach to Swiss chard, these fibrous greens, eaten raw or gently sautéed with a little olive oil, are delicious and definitely keep hunger at bay. 8. Switch to dark chocolate. Dark chocolate has been shown to suppresses appetite compared to milk chocolate. One study showed that people ate less during their next meal after snacking on dark instead of milk chocolate. 9. Eat bulky, low-calorie foods. Reducing general food intake while dieting can leave people with a ravenous appetite. This can cause a relapse into binge eating. However, dieting does not have to mean going hungry. Some foods are high in nutrients and energy, but low in calories. These include vegetables, fruits, beans, and whole grains. Eating a large volume of these foods will stop the stomach from growling and still allow a person to burn more calories than they consume. 10. Decrease your stress level. Comfort eating due to stress, anger, or sadness is different from physical hunger. Research has linked stress with an increased desire to eat, binge eating, and eating non-nutritious food. Mindfulness practices and mindful eating may reduce stress-related binge eating and comfort eating, according to one review. Regular sleep, social contact, and time spent relaxing can also help tackle stress. 11. Do mindful eating. The brain is a major player in deciding what and when a person eats. If a person pays attention to the food they are eating instead of watching TV during a meal, they may consume less. Another article showed that mindfulness might reduce binge eating and comfort eating, which are two significant factors that influence obesity. The National Institute of Health recommend using mind and body-based techniques, such as meditation and yoga, to curb appetite. 12. Eat more eggs. Studies have shown that eating an egg or two for breakfast can help dieters feel more full over 24 hours than if they eat a bagel with the same amount of calories. In the same study, those who ate eggs ingested an average of 330 fewer calories over the course of a day than the bagel eaters. Finally, as promised, find here your bonus. A video about a great review of Eat Sleep Burn. Eat Sleep Burn is a program that already helped thousands of people to get in shape while sleeping. Check it to start losing weight now. If you are in a rush to lose weight, click directly the first link in the description. See you in the next video.